Do you feel a calling to help heal Earth as part of your profession or career? Do you want to know how to make a great living restoring ecosystems and rejuvenating watersheds? Water restoration professionals are highly skilled earth healers who work around the world to return water to landscapes. With this approach, you too can work to reverse drought and reduce flood and fire anywhere in the world by healing the land with water. Learn from those who have had success around the world helping clients and communities revitalize their landscapes. Decentralized water retention is possible on every scale, from the urban landscape and small backyards to broad acres and even entire bioregions. In a world of climate instability, where flood, drought, and fire are becoming more extreme and severe, you can have a career that centers around restoring Earth's living systems. Click below to learn how.